do it on repeat.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey, how you doing? I thought I'd come back with some DIY room decor because I want to decorate my room, and I was like, in case I'm not the only one, thought I'd film this video. But give the video a thumbs up if you guys like DIYs, and comment down below if you guys want to see more. And also in the comment section, let me know what your favorite song is, because my favorite song is Endgame, and I've literally listened to it 25 times today because I don't know what else to listen to. So let me know, what's your favorite song? I need recommendations. Also, if you guys haven't already hit subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I post new videos every single week and you guys don't want to miss out. And also, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure to come follow me because I always chat to you guys in the comments and it's a good time. I asked you guys a weird fact about yourself the other day. Someone said that they scream when they sneeze. So make sure to come follow me on Instagram if you want a good time of weird chats, and let's get into the video. Kicking off the DIYs, I thought I'd start with a DIY that's actually inspired by a DIY I saw at IKEA, so I vlogged this, inserting vlog footage now. Oh, I kind of like these hung up though. Isn't that cute? They're like plants hung up on strings. Oh my goodness. Leave me a comment down below though if you guys remember that vlog. But all you guys are going to need for this DIY is just some fake flowers, and you're also going to need some twine and wooden dowel. Or if you guys would prefer, you could use like wooden sticks if you feel like going for like a little scavenge. All you want to do though is just firstly cut up your flowers so they're not in super big bunches. I just went for like a few flowers per bunch, like 3 or 4. And I basically just took the twine, wrapped it around the bottom to secure the little bunch in place. You also want to leave your piece of twine super long so you can secure it on to your wooden dowel. Roughly, you guys want to hang like 3 bunches of flowers onto your wooden dowel, and you just want to do that by wrapping the twine around your dowel. You can switch it up, but I actually wrapped mine a bunch of times so it kind of had that like boho rustic kind of vibe, and then just secured it off with a knot, and you're done. So I just hung mine up on my wall next to my bed. I used command hooks though, so it didn't damage my walls. So for reals, my only New Year's resolution was to read more. So to like spice up my little reading nook, I made a DIY magazine basket. Honestly though, I'm probably not gonna read more, but like this was probably me procrastinating reading. But all you guys need for the DIY is just some yarn and then a wire basket. You can find these at a bunch of stores. I've seen them at Target and H&M, and I'm pretty sure you can get them for like under $10, so they're pretty cheap. And the first step is to make some pom-poms, and I'm not sure what it is, you guys, but pom-poms are so popular on Pinterest, so we're gonna throw some on our basket. But as you guys probably know, it is super easy to make a pom-pom. You just want to take 4 fingers and wrap your yarn around your fingers like 40 to 50 times. And once you're done, you just slide off the yarn from your hand and just secure it in the center with another piece of yarn. But make sure that piece of yarn is like extra long. And once it is all secure, you can just cut through the loops on either side and you guys will have a pom-pom.
I am trying to do is say I love you.
For the last step, of course, you just want to secure them onto your basket. So you can just do this by knotting them on, and you're done. You can put books in here or shoes in here or like whatever else you have to put in this basket. So the other day I was scrolling through Etsy and I found all these cute pillowcases with cactuses on them, and I was super tempted to buy them, but they were like $45 each. And you guys know I'm only trying to spend money on like food and food. So I'm making one in this video. I'm basically just taking a pillowcase that I found at H&M. I think these are like $7 each, or maybe they're $5. I can't remember. And I'm also taking some black paint and also some fabric medium. I found this fabric medium for $2 at the craft store. You basically just mix it in with your paint and it makes your pillowcase washable and the paint won't come off, I think. I'm pretty sure. don't quote me. But basically, you just want to go in and find some cute cactus photos on the internet or like from your imagination if you're that good, but you just want to trace them up onto your pillowcase with a pencil, and once you've traced them, you can go in with the paint and do the real thing. I traced mine because I really wasn't feeling confident with the black paint. I didn't feel like it was gonna work, but yeah, you just want to paint the cactus onto your pillowcase. It looks super cute. Honestly, I feel like this is something that you would buy at Urban Outfitters for like $50.
I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do.
And if you guys have been like looking at my apartment throughout this video, you would probably know I am obsessed with cacti and succulents, so I'd incorporate them into the next DIY. Just taking a bunch of different colored paints, I'm just gonna go straight in on a white terracotta pot. I already went in and painted this white earlier, but like I couldn't be bothered to wait for it to dry, so I did it earlier. You can obviously do this to just one pot, but I decided to make a set of 3, so I did 3 different designs. On the first one, I went in and did like S's and little squiggles, so you guys could try that out. And then on the second and third pot, you could go in and do X's or like kisses, whatever you want to call them. And then for the third one, you could try doing triangles, and I feel like because it's a set of 3, it honestly ended up looking so freaking good, you guys. But now I just have to try and keep my plants alive. Fingers crossed.
I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do.
So that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to let me know what your favorite song is in the comment section. Kane has a Nerf gun. Oh my gosh. I will see you guys in my video next week.